We're gonna be putting a Mugen Visor, one of our second mod besides the engine tune. So this is it, second mod of this Civic Type R. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm doing this outside the garage. So freshly open Mugen Visor. Nice. We go ahead and pull the rubber seal on the front. So once you pull them in, you don't have to pull it all the way out. This is fine because you're just gonna clip all those little clips like this. So go ahead and clip it back up. Pull it. The tab has to sit this way. That goes inside. So it's gonna hold it like this. It's gonna go inside like that, and then just tuck everything in. So I'm gonna do this one. So the orientation is this way, just like that. Okay, and then you pinch it in. It goes underneath it. So I'm gonna put it in, and that's how the orientation looks like. Okay. Right. So leave a room on the top, just a little 3mm, and then right here there's a notch right here. Something bit my neck. There's a notch right here, and just align it. So the pins are aligned inside, as you can see. Don't when you align it, don't tuck in the rubber right away. That way you can make some adjustment. But my friends on YouTube, make sure don't use alcohol on this nice finish. Just wipe it with a nice cloth. Remove the tape on this one. Make sure it's fully aligned. It's perfectly aligned. So don't remove it all the way. Just make sure you leave enough tab to pull it this way. That way it'll stick. Because if you remove this all the way, you're gonna have a hard time adjusting it. At least on this side, when you have a little tab like this, you can move the visor around. The easiest way, I actually found the easiest way. So what I did, I basically mock it like this, right? And then pull the rubber where the hole is gonna be, so you don't have to fully pull these things right here, because it's a bitch to put this thing back on. So just kind of mock it, and then pull where it's close to. All right, so now this is on. I clean this side. Once again, do the same thing like on the other side. 3mm on the gap. Don't flush it like that or flush it on the top. Make sure you give it a little gap. You see that line right there kind of lines to it. All right, and then move the little tabs inside. This is very confusing sometimes. So this pin right here, there's actually two pieces in there. You see it? Pull the bottom one and then put it inside inside this. Put it inside this. So it goes like this. Hold on. So this bottom right here, this right there, I'll take it out of my teeth. There you go. Just put it like that. And this piece right here goes on top of it, on top of the visor. All right. So saliva right there. And that's it, guys. So I'm gonna put the other one on. It's very simple to put it on. It just takes some patience and cleaning of this. Make sure this is squeaky clean. No oil, no dust or anything. Okay, that way it'll stick better. All right. And then when you stick this on, make sure you hold it for like a good 10 seconds each. That way it'll stick forever. So now I put the two pins on these tabs. I removed this tape right over here. So what I'm gonna do now is, once again, I made that little tab so I can pull it easily. And then just kind of press them all around. That way it won't come up. And that's that. Make sure these pins are tight. That's it. What the hell is this shit right here? Oh. Alright. That's it, guys. So as you can see. Alright, there it is, guys. Did it outside my house. Put it on. It was clean install. It took about, yay so minutes. It looks quite rather nice. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please sub if you can. I hope that helps you a little bit on how to install the Mugen Visor on the new Civic Type R, the fk8. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.